Hello everyone and welcome to the Team Doberman Bodybuilding channel. I am Coach Dave Samuel and today we're going to do a product review on a new piece of equipment that we got into Team Doberman Gym. This is the Elite Pro Pendulum Squat. It's something I've wanted to get into the gym for quite a bit. I've tried some at other gyms and I really like them. They're great for taking a lot of strain off the lower back and even the knees. So anyhow, this version of it, I thought I was going to have some complaints or criticisms of it as far as not being able to change the angle of the foot plate, but it really has been fine. I feel like you put your feet where they naturally go, and it really has worked for most people that have tried it so far. It's got a good handle here to hold on to for stability. The welds seem good on them. The counterbalance plate here, I like this. There's some models I've seen from some other gyms or some other equipment companies that don't have the counterbalance. I'm not sure how that would work, because this is nice because you can change the strength curve of the exercise and it can match more the way your body works. So I really have liked that. A 45-pound plate seems to be the right plate or the right weight to use on this. For a lot of people, you may put just 25 on this side with that 45 and it's still going to be really heavy for people. I've been just kind of playing with it so far and I've gotten it up to like 245s. And that's a decent amount of weight. But so far, I am really happy with this machine. It's from Elite Pro, which is out in California. I'll put a link to them below. The only thing I'd say to keep in mind is that this is, depending on where you are in the country, you're gonna have to have some shipping done with a freight company. This does come from China. If you don't like your equipment to come from overseas, well, good luck, because a lot of it does. Even though it may say made in America, it was put together in America a lot of times, but built other places or manufactured in other places. This lead time on this was, I think, a couple months, which really is not so bad because there's a lot of places that are having really long lead times. And although they didn't constantly keep me informed on what was going on, when I called them or messaged them, I did get a response. So even though I was nervous ordering from a new company, by being able to be responsive to my messages, because I was kind of nervous going into this, they kept my mind at ease. But in the end, my son put this together in about 45 minutes. My 16-year-old son put this together in no time. It's a solid build. It really feels like a tank. It's not going anywhere. So I would definitely give this a recommendation. I'm not sure if they're going to be carrying this model very much longer, because they're going to a different one that's a little bit beefier, which I really am perfectly fine with this one. But you can go to their webpage and check it out and see what you think about the other equipment they have coming in. If you have any questions for me, put them below, and hope to see you for the next video. Thanks.